Hello everyone, welcome to the channel of Political Science Tutorials. This is part 4 of Test Yourself series for your quick revision. In this video, there are 15 questions related with the name of the books and authors, and in the answer part, some extra informations about books and authors are given. Hope this video will be helpful for your upcoming exams. Before starting the test, let me mention one mistake in part 3 video about Indian Constitution, and that is MCQ 8. The question was, right to property was removed from fundamental rights by which amendment? The answer will be 44th Amendment 1978. Now get ready with your pen and paper. Question number 1. Who was the author of the book The Presidential Republic? The Presidential Republic नाम का किताब किसने लिखा था? E.H. कार, मॉर्गनथाउ, जॉब लॉन्डेल, क्विंसी राइट. Second question is, who is the author of the book titled Nation and Nationalism since 1780? नेशन एंड नेशनलिज्म सिंस 1780 इस किताब किसने लिखा था? एरिक हॉब्सबॉम, एंथोनी गिडेंस, डेविड हेल्ड, E.H. कार. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. Which book was not written by रॉबर्ट ए डाल? इनमें से कौन सा किताब रॉबर्ट डाल ने नहीं लिखा था? Who governs, Modern Political Analysis, Democracy and its Critics, On Liberty. Question number 4. Which book was written by John Rawls? इनमें से कौन सा किताब जॉन रॉल्स ने लिखा था? लॉज एम्पायर, लॉ ऑफ पीपल्स, द लाइफ एंड टाइम ऑफ लिबरल डेमोक्रेसी, इनइक्वालिटी re-examined. Question number 5. The book Idea of Justice was written by Amartya Sen in the year. अमर्त्य सेन ने उनका किताब आइडिया ऑफ जस्टिस किस साल में लिखा था? 1999, 2006, 2009, 2012. Question number 6. Book Critical Citizens, Global Support for Democratic Government was written by. Critical Citizens, Global Support for Democratic Government ये किताब किसने लिखा था? पिप्पा नोरिस, बैरिंगटन मूर, जेम्स सी स्कॉट, गैब्रियल आलमंड. Question number 7. Which book was not written by Habermas? Legitimacy Crisis, The Social Action, The Philosophical Discourse of Modernity, Between Naturalism and Religion. इनमें से कौन सा बुक हैबरमस ने नहीं लिखा था? Question number 8. One side author's name and the other side book's name. You have to identify which pair is not matching. F.L. Suman, the book का नाम The Cold War Retrospect and Prospect. E.H. कार, the name of the book is Politics Among Nations. Quincy Wright, name of the book is International Law and the United States. Robert Gilpin, name of the book is U.S. Power and the Multinational Corporation. इनमें से कौन सा पेयर मैच नहीं कर रहा है? क्वेश्चन नंबर 9. बुक द रिपब्लिक ऑफ प्लेटो एंड एसेस ऑन गवर्नमेंट was written by Bertrand Russell, C.B. Macpherson, Ernest Barker, J.S. Mill. ये दो किताब द रिपब्लिक ऑफ प्लेटो एंड एसेज ऑन गवर्नमेंट, इनमें से किसने लिखा था? क्वेश्चन नंबर 10. In left side author's name and in right side book's name. Mikhail Sandel, name of the book is Liberalism and the Limits of Justice. B. Ronald Dworkin, name of the book is Spheres of Justice. C. Author is Y. Kymlicka, name of the book is Contemporary Political Philosophy. D. R.J. Bernstein, name of the book is The Restructuring of Social and Political Theory. इनमें से कौन सा पेयर मैच नहीं हो रहा है? क्वेश्चन नंबर 11. जॉन लॉक्स ने लिखा था ट्रू ट्रीटिसेस ऑन सिविल गवर्नमेंट. दिस इज अ क्रिटिक ऑफ प्लेटोज बुक द लॉज, फिल्मर्स बुक पैट्रियार्का, हब्स's बुक लेवियथन और ग्रोटियस's बुक ऑन द लॉ ऑफ वॉर एंड पीस. क्वेश्चन नंबर 12. बुक politicizing the International Criminal Court, the Convergence of Politics, Ethics and Law was written by John Stoessinger, Stephen Roach, Quincy Wright, Paul Severy. किसने लिखा था किताब Politicizing the International Criminal Court, the Convergence of Politics, Ethics and Law? Question number 13. Name of the books are The Functions of the Executive and Organization and Management was written by Herbert Simon, M.P. Follett, Chester Barnett, Douglas MacGregor. किसने लिखा था ये दोनों बुक? द फंक्शंस ऑफ द एग्जीक्यूटिव एंड ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ऑफ एंड मैनेजमेंट. क्वेश्चन नंबर 14. In the left side name of the book and in the right side name of the authors. Which of the pair not correctly matched? Voices of Freedom by Eric Foner. B. The Fear of Freedom written by Quincy Wright. C. Power, Freedom and Diplomacy written by Paul Severy. D. Why Nations Go to War written by John Stoessinger. इनमें से कौन सा पेयर मैच नहीं कर रहा है? क्वेश्चन नंबर 15. हु रोट द बुक द ओपन सोसाइटी एंड इट्स एनिमीज? कार्ल पॉपर, फ्रांसिस फुकुयामा, हन्ना एरेंट, एंथोनी गिडेंस. किसने ये बुक लिखा था जिसका नाम है द ओपन सोसाइटी एंड इट्स एनिमीज? नाउ लेट्स चेक द स्कोर. Question number 1. Who is the author of the book The Presidential Republic? Answer is C. Jean Blondel. Jean Blondel is a French political scientist specializing in comparative politics and particularly noted for the contributions he has made to the theory of party systems, the comparative study of cabinets and the relation between parties and governments. The book was published in the year 2015. Question number 2. Who is the author of the book titled Nation and Nationalism since 1780? The answer is Eric Hobsbawm. A. The book was published in the year 1992. In this book, Hobsbawm brilliantly explained recent events in Eastern Europe and the former Soviet republics have since reinforced the central importance of nationalism in the history of political evolution and upheaval. Question number 3. Which book was not written by Robert Dahl? The answer is D. On Liberty. The book On Liberty was written by J.S. Mill in the year 1859, and here are the name of Robert Dahl's book with this publication years. Who Governs 1961, Modern Political Analysis 1963, Democracy and Its Critics published in the year 1989, and another book by Robert Dahl, important book, on political equality, which was written in the year 2006. Question number 4. Which book was written by John Rawls? Answer is Law of Peoples. B. And for more information, Law's Empire, this book was written by Ronald Dworkin in the year 1986. C. The Life and Time of Liberal Democracy, which was published in the year 1977, was written by C.B. Macpherson. D. Inequality Re-Examined, which was published in the year 1992 and was written by Amartya Sen. Question number 5. The book Idea of Justice was written by Amartya Sen in the year. Answer is C. 2009. Amartya Sen was awarded with Nobel Prize in Economic Sciences for his contributions to welfare economics and social choice theory, and for his interest in the problems of society's poorest members in the year 1998. Question number 6. Book Critical Citizens, Global Support for Democratic Government was written by, the answer is Pippa Norris. Question number 7. Which book was not written by Habermas? The answer is B. The Social Action. Book The Social Action was written by Talcott Parsons and was published in the year 1951. Question number 8. B. Answer is B. Book Politics Among Nations was not written by E. H. Carr. Book Politics Among Nations was written by Hans Morgenthau and was published in the year 1948. Question number 9. Book The Republic of Plato, which was published in the year 1906, and Essays on Government, which was published in the year 1951, was written by, both books were written by Ernest Barker. Answer is C. Question number 10. Answer is B. Book Spheres of Justice was not written by Ronald Dworkin. This book was written by Mikhail Volger. In this book, he argues in favor of an idea what he calls complex equality, and against the view that goods with different meaning and content can be lumped together into the larger category of primary goods, as is advocated by John Rawls in his A Theory of Justice. And Rawls's book was published in the year 1971, and Mikhail Volger's book Spheres of Justice, A Defense of Pluralism and Equality was published in the year 1983. Question number 11. John Locke's Two Treatises on Civil Government, which was published in the year 1689, is a critique of Filmer's book Patriarcha. So answer is B. And Filmer's book Patriarcha was published in the year 1680. His book Patriarcha defended the divine right of kings, and Locke was against the divine right of kings. He was a proponent of social contract theory. Question number 12. Book Politicizing the International Criminal Code, The Convergence of Politics, Ethics and Law was written by Stephen Ruach. So answer is B. This book was published in the year 2006. Question number 13. Book The Functions of the Executive and Organization and Management was written by Chester Barnard. So answer is C. Question number 14. Answer is B. Book The Fear of Freedom was not written by Quincy Wright. This book was written by Erich Fromm. Book The Fear of Freedom was written by Erich Fromm. Question number 15. Who wrote the book The Open Society and Its Enemies? Karl Popper. So the answer is A. Book The Open Society and Its Enemies was written in the year 1945. It was published in 2 volumes. First volume named The Spell of Plato and the second volume named The High Tide of Prophecy, Hegel, Marx and the Aftermath. So it was a brief discussion about some books and their authors. Hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching.